Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Star Citizen error code 5000. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to download or update Star Citizen, but are told they don't have enough storage even when they do. According to our research, this error is likely caused by files stuck in the recycle bin, or trying to install the game on a non-SSD drive, or not having enough total space for the download and unpack process. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check your recycle bin. Even if you cleared space, files stuck in the recycle bin may still count against your total. So empty the recycle bin completely, and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, make sure you are installing the game on an SSD. A standard hard drive may not work. Also, note that the game needs download space and extra space to unpack. If you have less than 150 GB free, it will not be enough. So check your available storage and make sure it's over 150 GB, and then try again. If the error persists and you are downloading an update and you are sure that you have enough space, try renaming your PTU folder to EPTU. Once renamed, verify the game files and attempt the update again and check if this resolves the error. At last, if nothing helps, then contact the Star Citizen support team and report the issue to have further help and advice. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.